Takeya patented Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker with airtight lid and silicone handle, 1 quart. The new Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a durable BPA-free Triton pitcher with an airtight lid and non-slip silicone handle. It produces 4 servings of smooth cold brew with any type of coffee grounds and is less acidic than traditional coffee brewing. The fine mesh coffee filter in this cold brew coffee maker keeps grounds out of your freshly brewed pot, differing from other coffee machines. Triton plastic withstands hot temperatures if you want a hot cup of coffee. Fits in most refrigerator doors. Top rack dishwasher safe. Premium bottles and lids. Our innovative line of insulated hydration solutions come in a range of sizes. We offer water bottles in 18, 24, 32, 40, and 64 ounces sizes, beverage makers and pitchers in 1 QT and 2 QT sizes. BPA-free hydration solutions from insulated stainless steel water bottles to beverage makers and pitchers, as well as a variety of product accessories. Takeya USA products help you stay cool, refreshed, and hydrated for an active, on-the-go lifestyle. Innovative hydration solutions. Takeya brings over 55 years of Japanese design heritage to our line of insulated, BPA-free water bottles and our sustainable iced tea, fruit infusion, and cold brew pitchers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.